Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the operators in Python, like arithmetic operators, relation operators or comparison operators, equality operators, logical operators. So this is the operators concept is very much important in any programming language. Okay, so try to concentrate. Very simple, and you need to practice it. Is example how the output is coming. Try to understand. Here, when you go for the operators in Python, two terminal operand is one keyword is there, operator is one keyword is there. Operand, operator, operand, operator. First, what is operator? Operators are the special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. Computation to do. So that means here logical computation. So calculations purpose. Okay, the value that the where the operator operates is called operand. The value that the operator operates on is called operand or argument. Also, we are going to say. Example: C equal to 10 plus 20 is there. Here, 10, 20 we call as operands. We are going to call. Plus is the operator. Plus is the operator. In general, based on the data type, so we are going to get the corresponding operator we can use it is. Okay. First thing we'll see that arithmetic operators. We have the plus, sub, addition, so subtraction, multiplication, division, mode, exponent. So float division. This is called float division. We are going to call this is called float division. We are going to see. I will tell you what it is exactly with example. Float division. Okay. Now I will take with example to explain it. A equal to 15, B equal to 20 I given. If I go for the print A plus B, both are going to add. The sum is going to given 17. A minus B. From A minus is going to be reduced here. So 13 we are going to get. That means minus 2. Multiplication. Then here print. So that means here it's going to give the quotient with the decimal value. With the decimal value, quotient is going to be given by the division operator. Percentage symbol is there, no, it is going to give the remainder. It will give the remainder for us. That means, so 15, when I divide with 2 here, so 7, 14, the remainder is 1. If I go for the mode means here, the remainder is going to given to you. Division operator with decimal points is going to give point. Okay, so 5, 0, 10, 0. This decimal value also is going to provide still. If you go for the division operator. Next one, exponent. So 15 power of 2 is 225. When you go for this one, float division operator, we are going to go. That means this only going to give 7 only going to give decimal value is 260. Only 7 going to give us for us. Now see I'm going to run it is. So like this output is going to get. So some messages also you want display. How we can go for that? See some of them. given numbers is, then plus if I use, we need to go and give the output or not, to see what will happens. We discussed earlier type error because int string we can't go for the concatenation. Okay, we can't go for the concatenation, right? What we have to comma you can use in this case, different data types. You want to concatenate, we have to go for the comma you have to use. Now you see that if I run, it's going to accept or not. First one you see. Similar remaining things also you can go for the sum of the given numbers is 17. Understand? Comma you can use, not the plus operator to concatenate here. Next one, there is a multiply operator is there. Sometimes this multiply operator we can use as a string repetition operator also we are going to call. String repetition means if I go for the print demo multiplied with 3 I cover demo, so multiplied with 3. Now what will happen here? It will print the demo 3 times. Now see that the string repetition it will work, but combination will be one is int, other one is string. Then only it is two. So I give here suppose true. If I run it is 3. Why 3 is giving understand my here? True by default going to return the 1 it is. As an integer if we convert, so that means here you want to see that data type conversion functions we discussed. Print int of true means what is the output are going to get 1. Okay? 1 multiple 3 3 we got here like this. Okay. Next one, arithmetic operators. Proce- preceding the which is sequence going to takes. Simple. First priority going to give for the bracket. Then go for the exponential going to give the next priority. Then multiplication. Then division. Then go for the so mode. Then go for the float division. After that plus minus. Suppose this is the value is there. Different operators. To avoid this conflict, generally when we are going to take the multiple operators in one line, try to give it in brackets so that there is no conflict. Because first it will come in bracket the value going to complete. Now I have like this. Now what will be the output I am going to get here? So now if I just understand my here 3 by 2 are going to get 3 by 2, then multiplied 4 plus 3, so plus, so 10 by 2 means here, so the float value are going to get, okay, 2.5, 3 minus 2. Again, but this is going to give the priority. So 1.5 multiplied with 4 plus 3 plus 2.0 it is. So it will be 6.0 minus 2. Then 6. This is how much it is? What 2 power of 3 means 8 it is. Right. So then this one is 6 plus 3 plus 6.0 we have to say it is. Decimal points also going to consider. So plus 3 plus 8.0 minus 2. Then so 14 plus 3 17 minus 2. So what is the output are going to get here? Equal to 15.0. See, like this are going to get. So there are, which is operator first priority going to give bracket, then exponent, then multiplication, division, percentage, like this going to gives. Now here, suppose if I string values, I want to go for the comparison. How it is going to compare the string values means by default converts into the ASCII values, then go to compare. Numeric values you can compare, string values also you can compare, but ASCII and is going to how to get the ASCII values for the characters odd we can use. Same way char 65. Suppose print a equal to a. What is the output? So false. Why it is false? Try to understand. Print print ASCII values to get. I'm trying 97, 67. Or then can I use this one like this? A greater than B, then what will happen? Second ASCII value is going to convert, then it is going to true because A ASCII value 97, B capital A ASCII value 65. Like this, we can do it. Is so now print char of 97 I given. What is the output I will get? Just observe over here. Two functions I am showing here. So odd is going to return the ASCII value based on number. It give the alphabet to you. Char we can use CHR it is. Okay, like this. Next thing, relation operators. Double equal to. So less than, greater than or less than. So less or equal to. So not equal to. Equal to. So greater less than, greater than. So less or equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. I have the values like this. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, like this. A less than B. What is the output for here? Yes, yes or no? Yes, it is. So it has to give the true for us. So A greater than B. A less than B. True. Yes, next print it is A greater than B. Then false. Less than or equal to. True. Greater than or equal to. Both are not matching. So false. So not equal to B. Yes, it is true. So not equal to be false. Like this. The output are going to get. True false values are going to get. So values match with another condition. A less than B. A greater than B. Like this. So equal to operators we can use equal to not equal to. So which we can use to check given two values are equal or not. Based on it will return the true false values. X equal to 10, Y equal to 20, false. The couch is an example. Okay. Next, in the difference between equal to key, double equal to key is key. Is double equal to operator can use to compare the data. Whereas easily they compare just అంటే memory address refer చేస్తుంది check just compare చేస్తారు. Okay. చూడండి. So print of id of a అన్నాడు. Print of id of b అన్నాడు. అయితే now what I am trying to do here after this, C value I'm going to assign 10. Then print of ID of C. Just observe that what is the output I'm going to get. If you observe that A memory location, C memory location, same memory I refer చేస్తున్నాను కదా. Now both are of the same memory. So I want to compare the print A equal to B. So value comparison purpose it is. If I use print A is B, that is for the memory comparison purpose. It will return the true. Here also it return the true. Sorry, it will return the true only, not B here. I will go for C. Here also I want to go for the C. Like this. Parameters true like this. Logical operators and or not. This operator works between two Boolean values and returns the true when both arguments are true, or returns the true when at least one argument is true, not reverse complement. So and returns the true when both arguments are true, or returns the true when at least one argument is true. At least one argument is true. So not reverse complement. A equal to true, B equal to false. Now print A and B. Both are true. Then only return the true for us. Print A and B. Both are not true here. So what is the output I need to get? False. Now if I go for the print A or B, any one is true, it return the true for us. Print A, not A. Yes, like this. The values we got here like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Try to click on the bell button so that whenever I'm going to upload the any videos, you are going to get the alerts. Thank you.